This Hazelnut Romesco sauce is packed with flavor, it uses pantry staples, and it happens to be vegan. For these reasons, you will definitely want to add it to your rotation. You will need everything you see here. Roasted red peppers, which you can buy in a jar at most grocery stores, but I had some raw peppers I needed to get rid of, so I roasted my own, which I'll show you in a bit. You'll also need toasted hazelnuts. This sauce is traditionally made with almonds, but I think it's tastier with hazelnuts. You can use any nut you'd like, though. Then you need extra virgin olive oil, red pepper flakes, lemon, garlic, and salt to taste. For equipment, you'll need a mini food processor. I found it doesn't really work well in a big one. Now, if you can't find roasted peppers in a jar at the store, or if you want to save a little money, here's how you roast your own. Cut the tops off and de-seed 4 to 6 mini sweet peppers. Then put them in a tiny oven-safe dish, coat them with olive oil, and roast them in a 425 Fahrenheit degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the peppers are soft and the skin is blistered like this. You can remove the skin if you'd like, but I think it's a hassle and not really necessary, so I usually don't bother. The rest is super easy. Dump the peppers and their roasting oil into the mini food processor with 2 cloves chopped garlic, a half a cup of hazelnuts, and a little sprinkle of salt to get things going. Then pulse the ingredients until they're finely minced. Next, prop your camera on the toaster so you can film yourself adding the juice of 1 lemon and a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and pulse that together. You really could have just dumped all those ingredients in at the start, but I didn't for some reason. Then drizzle a half a cup of olive oil into your food processor, spilling it as you go because you're holding a camera in your free hand. Pulse as you add the oil, then put your camera back on the toaster so you can better film yourself slowly adding in the oil with one hand while pureeing the mixture with your other hand. It definitely works better this way. I should have gotten out my little tripod, but I was too lazy. And before you know it, you have Romesco sauce. At this point, you'll taste it for seasoning and add more salt or lemon juice as needed, or you'll puree it further if it's still too chunky for you. And behold, its peppery, flavorful goodness. You can think of this as a vegan mayonnaise or hollandaise sauce substitute. Spread it on sandwiches, use it as a salad dressing, or it's also lovely on a piece of roasted chicken or lamb. Regardless of how you use it, I hope you'll add it to your rotation. This video was brought to you by viewers like you, as well as additional support from Britt, Honey Badgers, Megan M, Matthew, Jenny D, Jocelyn, Gina F, Megan B, Data Fox, Gina S, Ruth, Katie, Lonesome Screams, Mihir, Morgan, Vide Fafo, Britta, Veda, Colette, and Anna.